Want to showcase more of yourself? Here's how to add more photos to your Tinder profile. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can see edit icon around your profile. Under the media section, tap on the plus icon to add more photos. You can either select pictures from your gallery or take new ones directly through the app. Make sure to upload high quality images where your face is clearly visible. More photos increase your chances of getting matched. Once you have edited your photos, tap save. Now your profile will show the new pictures you have uploaded. If your photos are not uploading, try restarting the app or check if Tinder has access to your gallery. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now fully updated. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.